Okay, cloud deployment model. So what is cloud deployment model? We will see. So it is nothing but like virtual computing environment. So computation speed, infrastructure, okay, platform. So everything will be provided by your cloud itself. Okay, so depend upon your need. Okay, depend upon the user's need. We are having different types of cloud computing models. So each model will be seeing in the upcoming slides. So basically, it is creating a relationship between the infrastructure and the user, are also defined as cloud deployment types. Okay. Why do we need hosting? Why I have to put everything in the internet or in the cloud? I can keep it in my system itself and I can share it with anyone, right? That is also possible. I can use my own system as a server. Like that, if you are thinking means, here you take one example. So in this example, what they have given us, assume that one small organization you are running with 25 to 30 employees. So they are communicating between each other. Okay, it is going fine. Suddenly, the employee count is getting increased to 100, or some events you are conducting, and the number of users are going to be more. Okay, in that case, it will be difficult for us to handle all the traffic. It will create a huge traffic, and with your basic machine, it is not possible. And if you are using your own machine as a server, okay, normal machine as a server, the computing speed will be very low. And if multiple users are trying to access, okay, more than the limit of the server, that time your server will get down. You have to maintain the server. You have to keep it 24/7. It will create overload, heating issue. Lot of things will be there, right? So to avoid all these things, we will go for this cloud hosting method. Okay.